ጀምር። ሰዓት እየቆጠረ ነው። ማን እንደሆነ ሼር ላረገ ሰው ሼር አድርግለት። እኔ ጋር ሼር ማድረግ እሺ። ቆየኛ እንዴ እዮብ ነው አይደለ? የአሁኑ የት አለ? ፓወርፖይንት ቴሌግራም ላይ ላክ። ቴሌ-
ይታያል። የታየ ነው።
እዮብ ሰዓት ጀምሯል። ሰዓት ጀምሯል።
እሺ thank you for all. I'm going to presenting Crank-Nicholson method. Let's start from production. Analytical solution are limited to different geometry. So numerical method now, the common known, such as Crank-Nicholson method are used to approximate solution. So Crank-Nicholson method is a powerful numerical technique used to solve partial differential equation, especially time dependent like heat conduction, diffusion, and other parabolic partial differential equation. So we have a problem. It's a 2D transient diffusion with uniform source and zero temperature boundary. That's a Dirichlet boundary condition. That means boundary temperature are zero. And the number of interior nodes are 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, we have a formula to calculate 2D heat conduction or diffusion. So the equation are this. We learned it before. So ወደ ኮድ ስትራክቸሩ ልምጣኔ ኮድ ስትራክቸሩን ስናስቀምጥ the code set parameters initialize the temperature field, update it over time, then visualize the final result. Let's see this the first code. Import libraries for numerical implementation in Python. Those are import numpy as np and import matplotlib dot pyp load as float. Numpy is used for number array and matrix calculation. We use numpy for overall matrix calculation in this numerical implementation. And the matplotlib is used to plot the temperature field as a graph temperature. And the second one is define parameters. we have a given parameters on the problem. These problems should be defined in the code. These simulation parameters are L is equal to 4 plate size in meters. With the given scale plates in meters. We have a grid spacing delta x equal to delta y dot h equal to 1. Then you have the time step dt 0.1 second, and the thermal liquidity alpha is equal to 1. Then define physical numerical parameters. These are nx and ny. So we divide this plate size meter to grid spacing plus 1. These are grid points in x and the y direction. And we have n steps 100 number of simulation steps. These are, we have n steps 100 means as the given dt 0.1. So we have calculation plot on the graph at 1 second, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. Then we have heat source. It's a uniform and constant heat source, h equal to 1, and L by h plus 1 gives the number of grid points, including boundary. Then we're going to initialize the temperature grid. T is equal to Np 0 Nx, comma Ny. These are plates 2D array filled with zeros. Boundary condition default to 0. These are from the given Dirichlet condition, boundary condition. That means boundary temperature are 0. Then initialized temperature array is given on this code are for step in range n step. We have T new, the calculated new temperature, loop over time status. Then the T new is temporary grid to hold update value. For I in range, this one 2 nx minus 1. Also for click in y direction, range of 1 and y minus 1. Loop over interior points, which means by boundary excluded. Interior and only interior points are equal to T new copy. Update that the temperature grid for the next time step. Then we are going to visualize the final temperature as a line graph. Growth temperature in line graph. These are for state row in line slices. Growth row level density.
Hello? 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 ጠፍተሃል። አላችሁ?
አለ የስ
ኢዮብ ጠፋ። አዎ ይታያል።
ያው መጀመሪያ እንዳልከው
አዎ ፓወርፖይንቱ ምረጥ። ያ ውረድ። ጎ አሄድ። ቀጥል።
ነው እኛው ስራችን ሰጠን ቢሊ ቢሮ
ድምፄ አይሰማም። ከፍ አድርግ።
ሸለት እናደርጋለን።
ኦኬ ኔክስት ስላይድ።
ላይ
ኔክስት ስላይድ።
እንሰራለን። አንዱ
በደንብ በደንብ ጮክ ብለህ ድምፅህን።
ሸለት ካረን በኋላ አፕዴት እንዲያደርግልን ዲኒ ኳንቲቲ ኦፍ ሸለት ያረነው አይና በጂ ሬንጅ በጂ ያደርግልና ወደ አዲሱ ነው ኤግዛሚን ያደርግልን ቴምፖራሪ ግሪድ ያደርግ ነው አብዴት እንዲያደርግና በአምስት ቀንና በ
Okay, two sets of question from now. My first question is on this one. Why did you use, what is the essence of two open brackets when you initialize 0, which is nx by ny matrix, I guess. So what is the essence? The second one is, what is your final result of t new I j? Can you show me that one? Associated with this question, in the formula, in the second for loop, where you are calculating t new I j, these are I and j are locations. So what is the difference between t new and the t in the final calculation? የመጀመሪያው ሁለት ብራኬቶችን ለምን ተጠቀምክ ነው? ሁለት ብራኬቶችን ኢኒሻላይዝ ስታረግ ቲኒውን ኢኒሻላይዝ ስታረግ ሁለት ብራኬቶችን ተጠቅማልና ለምንድን ነው ያ ያረከው? ኦር ኢሰንሱ ምንድን ነው የሚለውን ነው። ሁለተኛው ቲኒው እና ቲ በፋይናል አይተሬሽን ላይ ስንት እንደሆኑ ቼክ አርገሃል? ኢፍ ዩ ዲድ ዋት አር ቫሊዩስ? እዮ ወደ አንተ እዮ ኦኬ next presenter.